Hi, my friend. Today I introduce how to repair the LED modules. This is a P2.5 indoor LED modules. Here we can see one LED broken. Today we will repair it. Firstly, I'd like to introduce what devices we will need. This is the hot air gun. You can see. We need to increase the temperature to remove the LEDs. And we need the receiving card, a NOVA receiving card, and one power supply. And this is a solder machine here. 它这个尖了是吧？这个头。这个现在可能。And this is the solder positive, and these LEDs, and one this to take the LEDs. Now our engineer start to repair the modules. 好，现在可以开始了。第一步是不是要点亮看一下还是直接修呢？
点亮看是啊，它的问题。
Today, firstly, we want to turn on the power to see which LED is broken. Now we can see there is one LED is broken. So now we will repair it. We need to increase the temperature about 217 degrees. Okay. We need to take one LEDs and put it inside the solder positive. You can see with a hot gun. Now it's okay. 现在修好了是吧？它修的时候需要在通电源的情况下就是。
对，一定要通电源，不通电源它可能虚焊。
Okay, now the module is everything is okay. You can see in the back side. This P2.5 modules. 你切换一下其他颜色，就是切换一下其他颜色。One module we can test the other color. 好，换一个颜色。RGB color. Okay, the module is finished. Repair. Thank you. Bye.